What is affiliate marketing and how to start with it? In this video, I want to share with you some tips on how to get started with affiliate marketing and how to do it in a way where you're not struggling to get results and you don't fail like 99% of people do when they start, and how I was failing when I first started as well. I want to give you some tips that will actually set you up for long-term success. So let's cue the intro and we'll get into it. Hey, thanks for watching. It's Daniel P. Robertson, and on this channel we talk about how to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. So if you'd like to learn that, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Okay, so if you're brand new to affiliate marketing and you don't really know how it works, here's the basic concept. Affiliate marketing is where basically it's like you're a matchmaker. So like a matchmaker is the person who connects people together, bringing people together to start a relationship. Well, with affiliate marketing, you're bringing together somebody who has a problem together with a product or service that can help solve that problem. So you're matchmaking. So your job is to go out and find somebody who has a problem and then connect them with a solution to that problem. That's what your role is. That's what your job is as an affiliate marketer. And here's how that looks in practical terms. It's about building an audience of people who are all interested in a topic, who all share the same frustrations, the same problems, the same things that they're trying to learn and problems they're overcome and goals they're trying to achieve. You build your audience, and you do that with content. You do it by publishing videos here on YouTube. You do it with a blog post. You do it with the content you post on social media. If you want to use ads, you can use ads to get content in front of people. But the basic idea is you're using content to attract your ideal audience to you. And then from that content, you're sending them over to an offer, an affiliate product that can actually help them. So if you want to know how to start with affiliate marketing, it's about first finding the audience that you can help. What are the problems that you can help them solve? What are the solutions that you can offer to them? And figuring out what are the questions that they're asking. You can figure out the questions they're asking through keyword research and through some other market research methods. You find out the questions they have, and then you start producing content around those questions. So you're answering their questions and you're providing value. And while you're doing that, you're getting that content in front of people so that you can build your audience. That's the great thing about the internet, is that you can create a video and upload it here onto YouTube, and then it can reach a worldwide audience. So now you have this great opportunity to get in front of people all across the globe who all share same values, same interests, same desires, same goals, same frustrations, same problems. Now that you've built the audience, now you're going to connect them with an offer that's going to help them. Again, you're the connector. So what's a product that can help solve one of the problems that your market would be facing? And since it's an affiliate product, you don't have to create the product or do the customer service or do the market research or the product development. You don't have to do all of that. That's all already been done for you or being done for you. Now you just promote the product and you earn a commission when you make sales of the product. But here's the problem, is that it seems like a simple method, and it is a simple method. The process is simple, but it's not necessarily easy, because 99% of people who try this fail at it. The reason why so many people fail is because it takes time, it takes work, it takes consistency. You have to consistently create the content. You have to consistently work on getting in front of your audience. You have to learn and develop some skills and some knowledge. Like you got to learn about sales funnels and sales copy and persuasion. All these things, you have to learn about these things. So the fastest way to get started, if you're looking to start with affiliate marketing, is to kind of shortcut the process a little bit and to leverage a system that's already been set up for you to maximize your chances of success. Here's what I mean by this, is that if you have a marketing system that's done for you, a sales funnel that's already done for you, then you can leverage that. Then your main concern is just sending qualified traffic over to that sales funnel. And if you don't know what a sales funnel, it's simply a process for guiding people to a sale. And that's all it is. So if you have a done-for-you sales funnel already set up, you can leverage that sales funnel to get results faster. So if you click on the link in the description of this video, you'll find out how you can get the same exact sales funnel I'm using to grow my business. And that's proven to generate leads and sales. Now, again, if you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and we'll see you in the next video.